Hello everyone. Today I'm unboxing and flipping through a photography zine from Carver. Probably because I'm interested in landscape photography, YouTube algorithm recommended Nick Carver's On Location series to me a couple of years ago, and I've learned a lot. Many of his subjects are in Southern California, some of which are only 20 to 30 minutes away from me. Well, this one was shot in Andalucia, Spain, not so close anymore. Nevertheless, I ordered this photo zine to show my support and respect to the photographer that inspired me a lot. Andalucia is an autonomous community in Spain. Chapter 1 was shot in Andalucia and has more emphasis on mountains and rocks in fog and clouds. Chapter 2 was shot in Cape Cata and Mojaca and has more coverage on small town landscape. He has shot similar subjects in Southern California, such as abandoned gas stations, laundromats, grocery or liquor stores with characters. Chapter 3 was shot in the Tabernas Desert, not far from the previous location, and roughly half and half on architecture and nature landscape. By the way, I've been to the Hollywood sign in LA, and you probably noticed my confusion here. The sign looks odd because there's something in front of it. In an email Nick responded, he mentioned that this photo would have been better on a single page so the word Texas wouldn't be blocked. The Texas Hollywood sign is in a western-style theme park in Spain. Nick's website info on the back cover. Please check out his work and YouTube channel and order a photo zine if you want to take a closer look.